The HMRC app is an easy way to check and claim a tax refund. It's free and secure, and you can use it anytime on any smartphone or tablet. Once you've signed in, you'll see a section called Pay as you earn, also known as PAYE. This takes you to a summary of your PAYE income tax. It shows what we know about your income for the current year and for the previous years too. You can update this section by adding any missing information. If you are due a tax refund, you'll see a button on this page. Use it to start your claim. Using the app to claim your refund is much quicker than waiting for us to send it by post. We'll pay your refund straight into your bank account. And less post means less paper, so it's better for the environment too. You can also choose to receive letters online by going paperless. To do this, go into your app settings and follow the instructions. Then in future, the app will let you know if you're due a refund. You can download the app from Google Play for Android devices or from the App Store for Apple products. Once you've used the app, you can sign in again on any device using your 6-digit PIN, facial recognition, or your thumbprint. Find out more on gov.uk and search HMRC app.